Hey there, it's Damien from OpenAS App. Today we are creating an app with which we want to collect contact information of people with whom we want to stay in touch and keep them updated. So imagine you're a school administrator. You need to keep children's parents updated on the current status and also make sure you have all their current contact information. Collecting those information can be a really daunting and time-consuming task, oftentimes involving many tools and channels. Why shouldn't this be easier? Today, we're going to build a quick and easy app to improve the process of collecting necessary information and basically show you how you can do it on your own. So let's start the app creator from openasapp.com and pick the file in the first step, which we already prepared for this tutorial. A simple contact form we built in our Excel spreadsheet. This is how it looks. Few input fields, first name, last name, email, some additional information. Let's proceed with that one to the next step and pick survey as the recommended app template because we actually want to collect the information in it. Now the only thing we need to do is to select the cells that we want to show in our app. So let's do this. OpenAS App will automatically recognize if those are input fields or output fields and also assign a caption in the upper left corner so we know what we are actually filling out. In the next step, we can pick one of the predefined themes for our app and also pick a card, which is basically the icon. In the next step, we can do a lot more. We can rearrange those elements, we can change the styling, we can also add additional elements like a header, for example, where we can add some information like the current status. Also, a very nice feature are action buttons, which can have different perform different actions. Let's say we want to have one at the bottom of our app, and this button should perform the share action with the community, so let's call it share it, and then assign the action to share the app. Also, what we would maybe like to do, that's maybe a little more of an advanced feature, but we want to get rid of this floating button in here and use a button that's more in line with the others. So let's add an additional element in here. Again, an action button, but this time let's put it in here. Again, open the editor for this. Give him a name, send, and then pick the appropriate action, which is upload survey apps. Now the only thing that's left is to remove that one in here. You can do that in the top area editor, where you could also pick an image for the top, or maybe change the background image to something you like more. But the initial idea was to remove the floating action button, so let's set this to none. This is how our app looks like currently. Let's go to next. Here we can define our name, add a description, and when clicking create my app, the app is already finished. Now we can immediately share it with our friends, or we can also make it available publicly so everyone else can reshare it. So let's do this. We have now created a really simple form which everyone can adapt the view, so you can make changes to the Excel, add some additional fields, and then build an own customized app within minutes. As we want to distribute this as an app and also make it available to everyone, let's set the app to public so it's available to the whole community. You can use the social share buttons in here, or use the QR code, or just copy paste the URL to this app wherever you want. How the process will now look: you share the app and everyone's able to view it in your community and reshare it, and also fill out the fields in here. Let's say I only had the phone number of Mary, so this information is not new for me, but I never had her email address. Additional info, Mark's mom, send it. So she fills out the form now. She can reshare the app with Cindy maybe. So Cindy can fill out the form and everyone will collect the information in here, fill out the form, and me as the initial app creator will see all the submissions in here. I can now download this file with all the necessary information, send an email to everyone, give them a call, or even create an app based on this data, so I can start the call even from the app built on that. So this is how the app creation process looks like, with a simple contact form we can use within our community. I use an example, the school, but this can of course also be applicable to any company or your book club. So all the people you want to keep in touch and keep informed about the current status, if something is, for example, not taking place anymore, or if you just want to give them a new heads up about the upcoming next steps, etc. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. In case you have any questions so far and left, feel free to use our help center in here. Also feel free to shoot us an email at support@openasapp.com. We're happy to assist you. Take care, see you soon, and bye bye.